Hello and welcome. I'm Tobias from Circability, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own juggling balls at home from everyday items. So what you'll need is one sock, preferably nice and long, and about half a cup of rice per juggling ball. First, we're going to pour our rice into our sock. Easiest way I've found is to take the sock, put it over our cup, like so. We're just going to tip it upside down so the rice goes right down to the bottom. Should feel a nice hand-sized ball of rice at the bottom. Next, we're going to reach inside so our fingertips are just about touching the rice at the bottom. Then we're going to twist this bottom part of our sock so our fingertips can no longer reach the rice. We don't want to twist too much because otherwise it's going to create this big knot, just enough so we can't actually touch the rice. Then with our hand inside the sock, we're going to grab over the top. We're going to pull the sock off our hand. Then we're going to repeat the process. So hand inside, twist the bottom, reach over, and then pull it off our hand. We're going to do one more time. If you find your sock is not quite long enough to do it again, what you can do is just take the last bit and fold it back over the top. And there you have it. Your first juggling ball. I'd love to see what you come up with at home, and if you'd like to see more like this, visit us at our website circability.org. Hope to see you there.